First, all we have to do is preheat the air fryer to the maximum temperature of 200 degrees for 10 minutes. And while preheating, we are going to prepare or combine all the ingredients to these boiled potatoes. We will put butter, salt, paprika, also celery, and then we will also marinate our pork belly. And let's see what will happen. So while preheating the air fryer, our potato wedges are now ready. So once done preheating, we will arrange this inside the air fryer. So for now, let's prepare our pork belly recipe. I will marinate it using fish sauce and pepper, salt and pepper. So let's see what will happen. I decided not to use fish sauce since there is already salt here. Okay, so we're done preheating the air fryer. Let's now arrange these wedges inside the tray. There you go. Well, we are not aiming for crispy fries here because I did put some butter. So, and since these are potato wedges, we're aiming for smooth potato wedges here. So that's 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so 5 minutes left. Let's see what's going on inside the fryer. Wow, I can smell the butter. Ooh. Let's flip it. Okay, we will flip it. So seconds left. Time to reveal the finished product. And let's see what happened here. Wow, look at that. It's so fried, yummy. Not the crispy potato fries, wedges, but I can smell the butter, the paprika. Whoa, guess this is delicious. Whoa. Look at that. Can smell the butter. Okay, so let's proceed to the pork belly. Okay, so let's move to the pork belly. Let's turn it on. 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Let's start. Okay, so 3 minutes left. I have to lower down the temperature because there were fireworks inside, you know what I'm saying? And let's see what's happening inside. Right now, this is the situation. Okay. So we will extend the temperature and the time, and let's aim for a much crispier skin here. Okay. 8 minutes left. 180 degrees, 2 minutes left. Let's see what's happening inside. Okay, so this is the situation now. Wow, it is now starting to get crispy. I guess we need to extend another 10 minutes. So same temperature, 180. Let's add another 10 minutes. Oh, sorry, that's the temperature. Here's the timer. Let's make it 10 minutes. Okay, finally, after 25 minutes, and I have lowered down the temperature. It's now 160 degrees. I'm trying to cool down the air fryer now, and let's check what is happening right now. Okay, all right. Guess we have achieved the crispiness already that we're trying to achieve. So let's turn this one off. We should be good to go now. Wow. quickly turn it off. There. Oh, there you go. Okay, let us slice it. So crispy. Whoa. So juicy. Oh no. My knife is not working, but this is it, the finished product. Ooh, yummy.